Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Did you know that Builders has a wide range of in-store services like edging and cutting of selected boards, and they have well-trained staff to assist with your needs. Simply head to your local Builders store with your measurements and let their friendly staff help you with their precision board cutting service. Builders sells a variety of timber and wood products, as well as cupboard construction materials to help you complete your project in the easiest and most professional way possible. By utilizing the Builders board cutting service, you'll get the following: advice on design, quotations for all your cutting needs, computer-generated cutting lists that ensures optimization of minimal wastage, clean board cutting, and edging should you need it. At selected stores, Builders will assist with the cutting of many products from boards to glass, chains, shade cloth, plastic pipes, carpets, flooring, and so much more to any size you desire. Well, just because you don't have the expert tools doesn't mean you can't get the job done. Builders has a cutting service that will cut a variety of materials for you with a whole lot less wastage, and they get it done swiftly. Get to Builders, get it done.